Hello, I am Liudmyla Androshchuk, and now we'll talk about series. Just for minutes about for introduction to the series. What kinds of series can be? What the sense of series? Which expression we can call series, which is not. Let's see the expression 3 plus 5 plus 11 plus 2. How it's called? Everybody knows that it's arithmetic sum. Now let's see the other expression 3 plus 5 plus 11 plus 2 plus etc. What is different between these two expressions? Obviously the second expression is infinite sum. And next one more infinite sum 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27 plus and so on. Again, let's compare them. What is different between them? Evidently, in the second expression, we have some regularity. It's not difficult to predict that next term is 81. So, there is some regularity in this case. Such expression, which is infinite sum with regularity, is called series. So we need two conditions. The expression must be infinite sum, and the second condition, there is some regularity in terms of this expression. Let's look this series. Now we know that it's series, and it's convenient to denote each term as a with index n. So the first term a1, a sub 1 equals 1. The second a sub 2 equals 3. Then a sub 3 equals 9. And fourth 27. If in this series is some regularity, it means there is some general term a sub n. A sub n we call this general term, and it would be nice to find the mathematical expression of this regularity, the mathematical formula as function of index n. This formula will give us the opportunity to find any term of the series, like 20th term or 25th term. So the question is, what is general term? What is mathematical formula of general term? We'll try to find this as function of index n, and when we look close in the series, we can identify that figure 3 plays significant role in the series. So in that case, we'll try to find general form as function of n with help the figure 3. For that, let's consider each term. First of them is 1. But how can we get 1 from the number 3 and index 1? It is 3 to the power 1 minus 1, 3 to the power 0 equals 1. A sub 2, index 2, minus 1, it's 3 to the power 1, just 3. And next, a sub 3. In the same way, 3 squared equals 9. And fourth term, it's 3 to the power 4 minus 1, because index 4, equals 3 cubed, and equals 27. So what is general term? General term an equals 3 to the power n minus 1. And this series can be written in extended form on the left. 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27 plus and so on. General term equals sigma when n changes from 1 to infinity of general terms 3 to the power n. Sigma is usually gives us the sum, and on the left we have extended form, on the right we have brief form of the series. Both of these forms are identical. Now the question, what kinds of series can be? Now we considered the series with numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 9, they are numbers, so this is called numerical series. When terms of the series are functions, we have functional series. And one more case, when terms of a series are trigonometric functions, such series is called trigonometric. So the name of series depend on of kinds of the terms which series contains. And we can make now a definition. So to get series, we need two conditions. First, it must be infinite sum, and the second, the existence of general term. General term is the function of n, is this mathematics formula. So definition: an infinite sum of numbers a sub 1 plus a sub 2 plus a sub 3 and so on is called a numerical series if the general term of a function is a function of order number n. And now let's see some examples. First of them, the series is given 1/3 plus 2/5 plus 3/7 plus and so on, and we need to find the general term. General term as function of index n. So first, n equals 1, index n equals 1, it is the first term. A sub 1 equals 1/3. When n equals 2, the second 2/5. N equals 3, the third 3/7. What is general term? All these terms in series are fractions. It means general term is fraction as well. And let's consider numerators of these terms. When n equals 1, numerator is also 1. N equals 2, numerator also 2. N equals 3, numerator is 3. It means in general term, numerator is just n. What are denominators? Denominators are 3, 5, 7. They are odd numbers started from 3. How can we get 3 without index 1? When 2 multiplied by index 1 plus 1, we get 3. For the second term, when 2 multiplied by index 2 plus 1, it's 5. When for the third term, when 2 multiplied by index 3 plus 1, we get 7. So the general term is n divided by 2n plus 1, and the series can be written in extended and brief form with half general term n divided by 2n plus 1. One more example. 1 plus half plus 1/3 plus 1/4 plus and so on. The question is this expression series or not? Let's check two conditions. Firstly, this is infinite sum. And second condition, what is general term? General term exists, and this is function of number n, 1 over n. So this expression is series and can be written like 1 plus half, 1/3, 1/4, plus and so on, plus general term 1 over n equals sigma. When n changes from 1 to infinity, 1 over n. And one more example. Extended series is given in brief form. We need to write this in extended form. This task requires to plug in numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on into this formula, into the formula of general term. Let's take n index equals 1, index 1, so a sub 1 equals 2 over 1. Obviously this is number 2, but it's better to write in fraction form because the general term is fraction. When we take n equals 2, we get second term, a sub 2, 2 squared over 2, and n equals 3, a sub 3 equals 2/3 over 3. And general term we know, so we can write this series in extended form. Okay, that's all for now. Hope this presentation is helpful and you understand now what is series, what sense of series, and what kinds of series can be. See you.